This solar flashlight is a must-have item in the emergency kit. I have been looking for something like this for a while. It is portable. This little guy can transferring the solar light power to electric power and make the flashlight and radio work. Other than that, the electric power can also be the charger for the phone. It is also an ideal emergency item for hiking, camping, and any outdoor activity. Got this emergency radio to replace the one I lost while camping. For the price you can't beat the features on this radio. Not only does it allow you to use the hand crank dynamo to recharge, but it also has a solar panel. Super flexible with the multiple power options. The knobs feel fine and the radio is sensitive enough to pick up a lot of stations. The sound is average and was a bit flat compared to my old radio, but it plays loud. Looks and feels sturdy, and the 2 LED light sources is useful for nighttime use. Very happy with this emergency radio. Great value and would recommend. There are 2 LED lights. Charge your phone quickly. Camping in the wild, you can also generate electricity by hand. Really convenient. Click link in description for more reviews.